Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change DNS settings in Brave Browser. Before we start, let's quickly understand what DNS is and why changing it can be helpful. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's the system that translates website names, like google.com, into the IP addresses that computers use to find websites on the internet. Normally, your internet provider automatically gives you a default DNS server. However, that server might not always be the fastest or the most secure option. By changing the DNS settings in Brave, you can choose a different DNS provider that may improve your browsing speed, increase privacy, and sometimes even help block malicious websites. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the DNS settings in the Brave browser and how to change them step by step so you can use the DNS provider you prefer. First and foremost, what we want to do is open our Brave browser. Then look for the three-line button at the right side of the screen, which we are going to click. Where a list of options lists down, and we will scroll down a little and find the Setting option, which we are going to click. Then it takes us to a new screen. Then we will go to the left side of the screen and click Privacy and Security option, then go to the right and click the one that says Security. Then on the advanced list, we will see the one that says Use Secure DNS. Then we will switch it on. After switching it on, Select DNS Provider option appears, where we can select DNS Provider. Where we can also custom our DNS, then type it right there. And all of them are trusted sources, so nothing to worry about. We can choose whatever we want. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember that small settings like DNS can actually make a big difference in your browsing experience. Exploring browser settings like this can help you improve speed, privacy, and overall control of how you use the internet. Don't be afraid to explore more features inside Brave, because there are many useful tools that can make your browsing more secure and efficient. And if you enjoy learning simple tech tips like this, make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials where we break things down step by step so anyone can follow along easily. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.